Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Emily, a trained beauty therapist that can help you curate a skincare routine that works just for you. I am going into the world of Azelaic acid. As a beauty therapist, I've seen this over and over again, people jumping straight into the most hyped ingredients. Right now there's so many of them, but a good example is vitamin C or retinol, thinking they will fix everything, but the truth is sometimes the skin just doesn't like the high products. It needs balance, and that's exactly what azelaic acid brings. Azelaic acid is one of those ingredients that quietly does a lot. It's not loud, it's not trendy, but it works very hard, especially if you have breakouts. If you have even active acne, dark marks, redness, or uneven skin texture, azelaic acid is formulated in a lab, but originally it comes from grains like barley or wheat. It's not irritating or scratchy as the name might sound like. It's one of those most gentle yet effective ingredients. I've worked with it and I love azelaic acid. So let me walk you through what it does. Azelaic acid helps with pigmentation, post-acne marks, or hormonal discoloration. It can also help with active acne. Azelaic acid is such a good and safe option to give a go. It also reduces redness. So if your cheeks are always flushed or sensitive, or you have a rosacea type that flares up, azelaic acid can help to calm everything down without making your skin feel stripped or tight. It also helps with acne as well. It's antibacterial, which means it reduces the bacteria that causes those breakouts. It's also lightly exfoliating. It's soothing to the skin without irritating your barrier. How azelaic acid works: in simple terms, azelaic acid goes into your skin and slows down the process that makes extra pigmentation, which then helps to fade dark spots over time. It also calms inflammation. That is why it's so good for redness and rosacea, and it gently clears out your pores and kills that bacteria, but without drying or irritating your skin. It doesn't force your skin, it just brings it back to balance. There's no drama with azelaic acid, no stinging, no peeling, just a slow and steady progress. I often get asked, Emily, when should I use my azelaic acid? Should I use it in the morning or at night? Yes, technically you can use it either time, but I recommend using it at night, especially if you are layering it with other ingredients. That way you give it space to work overnight without being too rushed by having to wear your makeup or by the sun exposure or too many other active ingredients. Let's say you're doing a really simple nighttime routine. Incorporating that azelaic acid in that routine could look something like this. You gently cleanse, add a few drops of hydrating mist or hyaluronic acid, then you go in with your azelaic acid and then seal all that in with a moisturizer. So that's it, the simple, calming and effective routine. Now, if you are using other actives, here's where azelaic acid is so lovely because it plays so well with others. It's like that best friend that gets along with the whole class. It pairs beautifully with niacinamide. Together, niacinamide and azelaic acid, they can help with oil production, breakouts, and sometimes pigmentation as well. And then if you pair it together with hyaluronic acid, then you're adding that hydration, you're adding that soothing properties that come with hyaluronic acid and the azelaic acid, and they just work well and alongside each other. You can use it as well with ceramides, panthenol, or madecassoside. These are all great ingredients to use alongside azelaic acid if your skin is sensitive and it's needing that barrier support. Yes, you can use your azelaic acid with retinol, but this one depends on your skin. If you are already using retinol and the skin is settled and it's used to the retinol, azelaic acid can help reduce the irritation and redness that sometimes accompany the usage of retinol. But if you are new to azelaic acid or other active ingredients, you might want to introduce the azelaic acid slowly or introduce other active ingredients one at a time. BHAs like salicylic acid together with azelaic acid, they can be a power couple for acne prone skin. But again, alternate days, or use one in the morning and one in the PM to avoid overdoing it. I'll be more cautious with strong ingredients though, with strong exfoliants though, like glycolic acid or high strength vitamin C's, especially the L-ascorbic kind. They are not a total no-go, but they can overwhelm your sensitive skin. If you are using vitamin C in the morning, try Azelaic acid at night. That's usually a good balance, but I'm not telling you what to do here. Figure out what your skin needs and find the balance that works for you. So now I just want to show you guys 2 examples of products that are great if you want to get started on using Azelaic acid. Number 1 is the Polar Stress 10% Azelaic acid booster. Is great for beginners. It has a lightweight cream gel texture and it is super gentle. It also contains licorice root to brighten and give you that glow while supporting the barrier. And another good one that has got a good price point is the ordinary Azelaic acid suspension 10%. It is affordable and it's accessible. The texture is a little matte and dry, but it's effective and is easy to find in a lot of shops. If you prefer something even more gentler, try the Best Theory As Clear Serum. Actually, As Clear is so underrated. It's one of those products that does not get the hype that it should get. Affordable, good formula, works very well if you are flaring up. I've seen some people get amazing results from As Clear Serum, but you might need to order it online. One thing I've always say is that do not rush it. You won't see results overnight, but over a few weeks your skin will start looking a bit more calmer, more even and less angry, and that's the goal. That's a good goal we want to get. Azelaic acid is one of those ingredients that I wish more people knew about, especially people who have got acne prone skin and they've got oily skin, and sometimes having those pimples that are a little bit underneath the skin, it can help to clear all of that as well. And if your skin has been feeling sensitive, uneven or unsettled, this could be the reset button that you might need. So you guys, that's it for today. That's all the information I had about Azelaic acid. This is part of my ingredient series, so check out some of the other videos that are in that playlist. Let me know in the comments if you have tried Azelaic acid or are thinking of adding it. I hope you have left you feeling a little bit more empowered to look after your skin in the way that it needs. And if this helped, give it a like, subscribe. I share skincare education every week, so hit that notification bell button so that you don't miss anything that I put out. Look after your skin, you guys, because you really deserve it.